Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we start, we will include our rebuttal in our argument. Okay, dear adjudicator, ladies and gentlemen, we as a government team strongly support this motion because impoverishing corruptors is a very effective thing. Why we can say that the action is very effective because we have two reasons. The first reason is that impoverishing corruptors will have a deterrent effect on officials. And the second reason is so that corruption case can decrease in a country. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our first reason is why we say that impoverishing corruptors will have a deterrent effect on officials, because as we know that the result they get are the result they take from the state, and therefore we from the government team strongly agree with this motion because it can have a deterrent effect on the next generation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the current status quo is that there are many corruptors who don't feel a deterrent to their punishment, because when they go to jail, they can still enjoy the result they corrupt from the state. Therefore, we from the government team strongly agree to impoverish corruptors. Our aim is to impoverish the corruptors, is to give a deterrent effect to the corruptors, where they can't enjoy the result they take. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that there are still many corruptors who live comfortably and have all their needs met while in the jail. And the first reason, the opposition team said that jail was sufficient to give punishment to criminals. However, we see for ourselves that so far jail are not enough to provide a deterrent effect for corruptors. The evidence is that jail for corruptors have adequate facilities. Jail for corruptors have complete facilities such as TV, mattress, and other necessities. It will never have a deterrent effect on corruptors. Therefore, we firmly believe that jail is not enough for corruptors. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if the corruptors still get facilities while imprisoned, of course, this makes other officials not to commit act of corruption. Therefore, we don't agree if only imprisonment. We strongly agree to impoverish the corruptor. And our second reason is that hope that corruption case will decrease in Indonesia. Dear adjudicator, we know that corruption cases are very high in this country. Therefore, we aim to provide justice for all Indonesian people by impoverishing corruptors, and we think can be a lesson for others officials not to repeat this mistake. But the second speaker from the opposition team said they will carry out rehabilitation for the corruptors. However, they don't explain how the rehabilitation will be carried out. Okay, dear adjudicator, we as a government team strongly support this motion, and we feel that the corruptors don't need to rehabilitate, because we have that this action are because we believe that this action are not related to mental health, which are likely to commit physical crimes against other people. And however, we will educate the corrupt to know how difficult it is to find a job with all our might. And we will give a reflection to the corruptors how difficult it is to live with a low economy, so that this reflection can be a lesson for the corruptors, so that they will not repeat their mistake. Okay, dear educator, by impoverishing the corruptors and confiscation of all the assets they have, we feel this is enough to prevent the corruptors and our official and other official from repeating their mistake. As we as a government team will confiscate all the asset they have, even though some of these assets are not the result of corruptors, of the corruption, where we aim to provide a deterrent effect on corrupt perpetrators and their families. And we will not only provide a deterrent effect on their perpetrator, but we will also provide a deterrent effect on the families, on the corrupt perpetrator, because they have enjoyed the result of the corruptors. And this action aim to provide an illustration for other officials not to commit corruptor. They will lose the assets they seek without corruption, just because they have committed a corruption case on. This of course will be consideration for other officials not to commit corruption case, so that corruption case in Indonesia can decrease. And we as government team not only eliminate the work of the corruptors, however, we will continue to provide jobs for the corruptors, but they are not allowed to serve in other countries. Besides, we give jail sentence and confiscate all their assets. We will also provide job opportunities for corruptors, and we will provide jobs as farm laborers for corruptors with wages that are not sufficient for daily life, and criminal and there can improve their financial economy by working hard. And therefore, as a government team, we strongly support this motion, and we feel we have the right to win this debate. Thanks.
Dear educators, ladies and gentlemen, we as closing government want to extend and prove to this motion that impoverishing corruptor is the best punishment in order to achieve the value of criminal justice system, ladies and gentlemen. We have goal to give justice for all Indonesian people, ladies and gentlemen. Our mechanism is we don't need to do rehabilitation, but we will give work to corruptors, ladies and gentlemen, like farm workers, so that they can feel the difficulty of making money and can be a deterrent effect, ladies and gentlemen. Opposition said it will making them into poverty, living below the poverty line, ladies and gentlemen, and will make them lack of food. They will not lack of food, ladies and gentlemen, because we also give them work instead. That is farm work. So, if they want to have enough food to fulfill their needs, they have to work hard as farm worker, ladies and gentlemen. So, that's why we believe that if when they want to fulfill their needs, they get will be according to how much they work hard, ladies and gentlemen. I have to extension from the opening government their argument about increase the government money. They means that when we take them of corruptor, they will give all for what they have to us, and this is a good opportunity to us to increase the government money, ladies and gentlemen. We think it is good, ladies and gentlemen, because we believe that this money can be allocated and used to the another important sector as the basic human right, ladies and gentlemen, which is, for example, education and health, ladies and gentlemen, because we think education and health become the base need of human that we need to focus on. So that's why this is important to be impoverish corruptor, because it will make the good impact at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we already proved to you that by impoverish corruptor, it will send message to the society that the punishment toward them is serious and high, ladies and gentlemen. The massive society will think that it is fair for them, ladies and gentlemen, and the government guarantee that the right of society will be protected, ladies and gentlemen. We believe that, and we strongly become the state of legislation in order to protect social rights, ladies and gentlemen. It will be effective for long term, not only for short term as the jail, ladies and gentlemen, because when we just give the punishment to the corruptor to come to the jail, it's just like make them not deterrent, ladies and gentlemen. They will repeat their mistake in the future. So that's why the balance and the punishment we give, that it is more deterrent than jail, ladies and gentlemen. By making regulation that we want to impoverish corruptor, it will create the change and opportunity of proportional punishment, ladies and gentlemen. Compare if the punishment just only limited by jail, ladies and gentlemen. The fact already shows us that it's only same certain people, but not for corruptor, because the corruptor is getting high facilities in the jail, ladies and gentlemen, as my partner said before. We guarantee that making impoverish corruptor become a good punishment, because we think it is the same punishment as the death penalty. So we think another corruptor also feel the deterrent effect, ladies and gentlemen. So they not do the same like what the corruptor do, and this is will be the good example for them to not repeat their mistake in the future, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why, as government side of the house, we proud to propose to this motion. Thank you.